Hello my dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel Chemistry in Minutes। तो यहाँ हम केमिस्ट्री एनसीईआरटी के इन टेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन और एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर रहे हैं। अभी तक हम चैप्टर 2 सॉल्यूशंस के इन टेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर चुके हैं और अब हम मूव कर रहे हैं सॉल्यूशंस चैप्टर के एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चंस को। तो हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन 1 और ये है डिफाइन द टर्म सॉल्यूशन। हाउ मैनी टाइप्स ऑफ सॉल्यूशंस आर फॉर्म्ड, राइट ब्रीफली अबाउट ईच टाइप विद एन एग्जाम्पल। तो हमसे पूछा गया है कि सॉल्यूशन उसको डिफाइन करना है और टाइप्स ऑफ सॉल्यूशन बताना है। इसके अलावा टाइप्स ऑफ सॉल्यूशन के बारे में ब्रीफली लिखना है और उनके एग्जाम्पल्स बताने हैं। तो सबसे पहले हम डिफाइन करते हैं सॉल्यूशंस। सॉल्यूशन क्या होता है? तो सॉल्यूशन इट इज ए होमोजीनियस mixture of two types of components known as solute and solvent। तो यहाँ पर डेफिनेशन में आपके लिए जो होमोजीनियस टर्म है इट विल बी कीवर्ड, बिकॉज सॉल्यूशन जो है वो होमोजीनियस मिक्सचर होता है। होमोजीनियस का मतलब क्या होता है कि जो मिक्सचर है उसमें जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ पार्टिकल्स है वो सेम है थ्रू आउट द वॉल्यूम। तो होमोजीनियस का मतलब क्या हुआ कि अगर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ पार्टिकल्स in the solution in the mixture is same, then the mixture is said to be homogeneous। फिर इसमें लिखेंगे हम solute is that component which is present in lesser amount whereas the component which is more in amount is called solvent। So here we have defined the term solution। Let's move towards the type of solutions। Solutions are mainly classified on the physical state, and the physical state of solutions is dependent of physical state of solvent। So on the basis of physical state of solvent, solutions are mainly classified as gaseous solutions, liquid solutions and solid solutions। So if the solvent is gaseous, the solution is gaseous. If the solvent is liquid, then the solution is liquid, and if the solvent is solid, then the solution is solid। So let's write it down। Based on the physical state of solvent, solutions are classified as first gaseous solution, second is liquid solution, and the third is solid solution. Now we will write briefly about the different types of solutions. So let's start from gaseous solution. Gaseous solution, it is formed when the solvent is gaseous. Gaseous solution may have three types of solutes, means three physical states of solute, which is solid, liquid and gas. So here we will write solvent, here we will write solute, here we will write example. So in gaseous solution, solvent is gaseous, solvent is a gas, solute is a gas. Then example of this kind of solution is mixture of oxygen and nitrogen. Next, in gaseous solvent there may be liquid. Example of this is chloroform, in nitrogen gas. Next, in gaseous solvent there may be a solid dissolved. Example of this solution is camphor in nitrogen gas. Next type of solution may be liquid solution. So second we are writing a liquid solution. It is formed when the solvent is liquid. So here also we can have three physical states of solute, that is solid, liquid and gas. So here I am writing physical state of solute, here solvent, and here I will be giving the example. So first is liquid solvent. gaseous solute. Example is oxygen dissolved in water. Another example you may take the soft drinks, the carbonated water, soda water, soft drinks. Then there is liquid solute in liquid solvent. Example is ethanol in water. Then solid solute in liquid solvent. Example is solution of glucose in water. Then we will be moving towards the third type of solution, that is the solid solution. So the third type of solution is solid solution. It is formed when the solvent is solid. So a solid solution can also have three physical states of solute. That is, I'm writing here the solvent, here I'm writing solute, and here the example. तो solvent solid और solute गैस. एग्जाम्पल हो जाएगा इसका सॉल्यूशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन इन पैलेडियम. नेक्स्ट सॉलिड सॉल्वेंट एंड लिक्विड solute. Example of this is amalgam of mercury and sodium. Then next is solid solvent and solid solute. Example, alloy like brass, bronze. So you may know that alloys are homogeneous mixture of two metals, two or more metals dissolved in each other. An alloy is formed melting two metals and then mixing them in some specific proportion. So that's also a solution, and it is an example of solution of solid solvent and solid solute. Apart from these classifications, there are some more classifications like number of components present in the solution. On this basis, a solution containing two components, a solute and a solvent, is known as binary solution. Apart from this, there are there is a classification based on degree of saturation, that is saturated solution, unsaturated solution and supersaturated solution. So you may know that saturated solution is the solution which is containing maximum amount of solute in the specific amount of solvent. Unsaturated solution is that solution which contain less amount of solute as in case of saturated solution, and the supersaturated solution is that solution which contain more amount of solute as in case of saturated solution. So these are some classification, but in class 12 chemistry in solutions chapter only these classifications are mentioned. So this will be our answer to the question.